Hi, my Kayla crew, welcome back. So today I've got a Natalie Attired collection to share with you. Now this is actually my classic collection for the month of September. I know, we're in October. I'm a little bit behind. Can you see the beautiful fall foliage? I thought, you know what? Let me share some New England fall foliage. Isn't it so pretty? Okay, so with the classic collection, you pay $20 for your styling fee. They send you 5 items, and you can, one of the things I love about Natalie Attired is their discount system, because if you're keeping all 5 items, you're getting 30% off. That's a pretty good discount, right? And if you keep 3 or 4 items, you're getting 20% off. That's nice too. And your $20 styling fee gets credited to anything that you keep. So let's see what's inside. She did focus on sending me some business, well, not business, but some work pieces. So I appreciate that, because I've been back to work for a while and I pulled for those 5 days out of the week. So yep, let's see what she sent me. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the first 2 pieces on. I think what I'm gonna do is talk about all the tops first, because they all go with the black pants, and then we'll talk about the black pants last. So the top is by Renee C. It's the 3/4 sleeve V-neck top. It is $54. It's 100% polyester. It's an extra large. I forgot to look at the tag, but it's nice because I put the size right on the sheet. Okay, so look, it's a really cute top for work. You know, I pull for blouses like this all the time. You know, I love the V neckline. It almost, though, look at the sleeves. It almost kind of has a little bit of a puff, but not too much. And you guys know, a lot of times I can't do the puff sleeves because I look like a football player, and I don't think I do with these. So I think it's really pretty. I love this blouse. Now, the only thing that might drive me crazy is the ties, but they're not thick. You know what I mean? Like, they're not the bigger ties. So I might be okay. I really like this top. And you know what? I could probably, yeah, they're thin enough that I don't think they're gonna bother me. Okay, so I like the length of this top. I love the colors. Look at the pretty colors of this top. Now, this is a top, I said this before in another video. I don't remember which video I talked about it, but I feel like if you have a top that's like a darker floral print, where there's kind of a darker background, you could really carry it through the winter and the fall months with darker bottoms. But then when spring comes around, you could pull it back out and wear it with your white bottoms, your lighter colored bottoms. So I really feel like this is a good top you could wear pretty much all year round to work. What do you think about it? I think it's so cute. I really do. So I think this one's gonna be a winner to add to my closet. And you know, I have this big chunky black necklace that I think I'm gonna wear to work with this. Yeah, my chunky necklaces are coming back out. I'm feeling it. So what do you think? All right, let me show you the back. So I think this one is a keeper. I really, really like the pattern of it, and I love the colors. I know I have a lot of floral, but it's like a bigger floral print. Justifying, I know. That's all right. That's what I do. And if I love it, I'm gonna keep it. You know that. All right, I'll be right back with the next piece. Okay, so I had to turn the camera around. There was a little bit of a glare because the sun is coming up. So I figured, let's just see the other side of the backyard, and I can keep a better eye on that pup over there. Yep. Okay, so this top is by Gilli. It's the sleeveless V-neck top. It is $48. It's not a V-neck, but it's the Gilli top, so must be the right one. $48, 100% polyester for both the lining and there's a shell. So I really wanted to love this top. I pulled this top out of the bag and I'm like, oh, this would be perfect for layering. I've mentioned this before, but you know, it's morning, it's a little bit cooler, and so I need a cardigan. I need something to go over this, and this would look really cute with like that royal blue cardigan they sent me, which actually that's still in my office at work because I wore it yesterday, and I leave work and it's warm, so you don't need the cardigan. You need to be layered, especially this time of year here. So I think this would be a perfect top for that, but it just doesn't work, I think, because of this. See here? Don't know what's going on. I just, you know, I thought maybe it was like the lining and the shell just weren't matching up. I played around with it a little bit. I love the length of this this tank. I love that the hemline, the direction of like the striping detail goes the opposite way of the rest of the top. I think it's a really fun look. I love the gray and white because it would go with a lot. Like I said, it would go with that royal blue. It would go with your grays. You could probably do white, you could do black, you could do red, you could do like a bright pink. A lot. The options are endless, aren't they? So I just don't know. I just think the fit is a little bit off. Just kind of through this area here. Always my problem, huh? Especially with polyester. But that's okay. You know, it's cute, but I just don't think it's gonna work for me. Let me show you the back. So like I said, I really like the length of it, and I wanted this to work so badly, but I just don't think it's gonna work for me. All right, I'll be right back with the next piece. Okay, so next top is by Zenobia. It's the 3/4 sleeve V-neck button top. It's $49. It's an extra large. It's 100% polyester. I wanted this top to work out so badly that I love this top. I think it's so cute, but it's just too small. And there's some gaping issues. Yep. Oh, you see that? So, and it's not one, like I tried on a shirt the other day that I could stitch shut and it would work because the rest of the top fit. This one won't do that. So I like this, like the Swiss dot look. So it's got that texture to it, which is really nice. 3/4 length sleeves. And look at the sleeve. It's kind of got like some crochet detail. What do you think about that? I love the pretty, try not to show you too much of the gaping here. So let me just block that so you can see the ruffles. I love, I love a good, look how feminine looking this top looks. And then it's got the same detail that it has around the ankle. Why do I always want to call my wrists my ankles? What is wrong with me? I always do that. It's got the same detail going down on both sides. I think it's really cute. It does button all the way down, and then it's got the ruffle detail on the bottom. I was so hopeful. I wanted this top to work so badly. I would have worn it today, I think, to work. But look at, yeah, nope. But I love the details. Bummer, huh? All right, so what do you think? Cute top otherwise, it just doesn't fit. Yeah. All right, let me show you the back. So the length is pretty good too. Such a cute work top, wouldn't it? And then even like with your white bottoms, I know. Bummer, huh? All right, I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, so next top is by Umgee. It's the ruffle sleeve collared top, $49, extra large, and it's 100% polyester. Okay, so I really like this top. I just don't know if it's too boxy looking. I looked in the mirror and I'm like, it looks a bit boxy. I just don't know. So let me know what you think. Let's go through the top though. So it does have a collared neckline. I do like the V-neck too. It does button, and the buttons are the same color as the top all the way down. And then it kind of has a little bit of that twist front look here. So it's not too, you know how some twist tops come either like too, they're too short or it's too bulky and it adds some bulk to the front, which you don't need. This one, I don't think does that. What do you think about it? The back has an elastic band, but the front does not. I like this top. I love red. I pull for red a lot. I do look, it has a double bell sleeve, and I'm a sucker for a good bell sleeve too. What do you think? I just don't know if it looks too boxy because of the length of it. Let me know. I'm on the fence, but I love the color. I love the sleeves. Let me know what you think about it. I'm gonna show you the back. But again, like a good work top. So yeah, let me know what you think about it. I love the sleeves. That's my favorite part. And the color. I love the color too. I really do. All right, let me turn the camera down and we'll talk about the pants. Hang on. Okay, so I have to say, I was thrilled when I saw that these pants were in petite because I often need petite sizing in my pants because I got short legs. And I'm only 5'2". So these are by Tribal. These are the Petite Flatten Zip Straight Pant. They are $69. So these are just like your basic black work pant. I didn't put on shoes, but when I wear my, my heels to work, these would be a good length. They're just a basic black work pant. They do zip up here and they button. So what do you think about them? I don't, we can always use, I wear black pants to work all the time. I mean, all the time. Probably like at least 3 days out of the week, I'm pulling for my black pants. Especially this time of year, I'm wearing my darker bottoms. I still wear my lighter bottoms. I'm not putting those away. I've said that before, but I pull for my darker bottoms. So I think these are nice. They feel really nice. They don't have any pockets, which usually the black work pants don't. So what do you think about them? I'm gonna have to look in my closet to see my need, but I kind of feel like if I have a good pair of pants that fit me, I should probably keep them. So I'm leaning towards keeping them, but I gotta see what my need is. I said the other day, I purged and I did a lot of tops. Like I got rid of a lot of tops, or I'm going to get rid of a lot of tops, but I didn't do my bottoms yet. So I'm gonna have to see what my need is. All right, I'll be right back. Let's do a quick recap. I got thrown off because someone's trying to get on the pool cover again. Being a bad little puppy. All right, okay, so I thought this was a nice selection of work items. Now, there's two things that I know for sure I'm not keeping. So the first thing is this Gilli top. There was just, I think the bust area just didn't fit right. Something was going on there, so I'm gonna send it back. But I want to show you, in the back of the top, it has a keyhole detail, which is really pretty. And you can get a better look at the print. I love the print. I think it's so different. I love it. I just wish it didn't fit like it did in the bust area, but that's all right. That's my fault. All right, now, I'm super bummed that I have to send this top back. This is the top, what is this, the Zenobia, I think it was? Yeah, I loved this top. I think it's so cute. Look at it. Oh, and you know what? It had that tie detail at the neck, but I was hiding it because of the gaping issue we had going on. But it has that tie detail too. And now you can get a better look at like the crochet detail I was talking about. Oh, these darn hanger tags. I always am tempted to cut them off for the next person that gets my my items. I don't worry, but I don't like those clothing tags. Nope, or the hanger tags, I should say. But anyway, I loved this top, so has to go back. Bummer. All right, now the one thing that I absolutely love and I know I want to keep is this floral top. I love this floral top. There's just something about it that I think is so special. And I just love it. I think it was that little extra shoulder detail. I think it's so cute, and I love the pattern. I love the colors of it. So I know I'll get a lot of use out of it for work. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this one. I know I'm gonna keep this one. Now, the two things I'm on the fence about, I still have the black pants on. When I get pants, I like to keep them on just to see how they feel for a little while. So I don't know, I'm on the fence. I gotta see what my need is for the black pants and then the red top. I just need to know, does it look too boxy? Remember, if I keep 3, I get the 20% off. So yeah, otherwise, if I just keep 1, I still get my $20 styling fee, but you're not getting the discount. That always tempts me. Probably tempts a lot of you too, but some of you have some good willpower, and I'm proud of you guys. I'm trying to be better about that. But the shopaholic in me, yep, always thinks, a discount. Let me buy more to get the discount. Yep, and then I spend more money. All right, so I thought that was a good collection. Thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.